Hey friends, Instagram has just dropped a brand new update in August 2025. And trust me, some of these features are exciting, but a few might be a little scary if you don't set them up right. Today, I'll break down 3 big changes. 1. The new Repost feature. 2. The new Instagram map. 3. The new Friends tab in Reels. Plus how to protect your privacy while using them. Let's get started. 1. Repost feature. First up, we have reposts. Finally, Instagram lets you repost someone's reel or feed post directly, without downloading or using a third-party app. How it works. Find any public reel or feed post you like. Tap the share/repost button. Add your own note or thought, like a mini caption. It will appear in your followers' feeds and also in a separate repost tab on your profile. Why it's cool. You can quickly share trending content with your followers while giving full credit to the original creator. Warning, don't just spam reposts. It can annoy followers. Add value with your note or opinion so it feels personal. 2. Instagram map. Next, the Instagram map. And this one is getting mixed reactions. What it does, lets you share your last active location with friends. You can choose to share with close friends, mutual followers, or a custom list. The map also lets you discover posts, reels, and stories from people in specific locations. Privacy tips. By default, location sharing is off, but double check. Go to Settings, Privacy, Location, and make sure you control who sees your location. If you're worried about safety, keep it to close friends only or turn it off completely. Pro tip. You can still use the map to explore content without sharing your own location. 3. Friends tab in Reels. The third feature is the Friends tab inside Reels. What it shows, Reels your friends have liked, commented on, reposted, or created. Includes blends, a mix of Reels you and a friend both enjoy. Why it's useful. Discover cool content your friends love. Stay connected without having to DM each other every time you find something funny. Control. If you don't want others seeing your activity, you can hide your likes, comments, or reposts in the privacy settings. You can also mute certain friends from appearing in this tab. Final tips and wrap up. So that's the Instagram August 2025 update in a nutshell. 1. Repost with style. 2. Use the map safely. 3. Enjoy the Friends tab without oversharing. Question for you. Which of these features will you use the most? Comment below. And if you found this useful, give the video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tech updates. See you in the next one.